And he had only 8 years of formal schooling. And then he studied law books and passed the Illinois exam at age 23. That's how old he is in this picture. In 1880. Married Debbie, and they moved to Tacoma, Washington. They were in Washington 20 years. He was a lawyer and a judge, and in the territorial legislature. And then in 1900, President McKinley appointed him to come up here. What's outlined in yellow was his 300,000 square mile territory, which he traveled by steamship, sled dog, and snowshoe. There were no roads and there were no maps, so traveling was quite an adventure. He even did a murder trial on the ship in the Aleutian Islands. And while he was there, he got a telegram that said, "You need to go to Nome because this judge is dishonest, taking gold claims away from rightful owners and giving them to his friends." So that judge was removed from office. Judge Wickersham went to Nome for a year and overturned the bad decisions and studied tribes up there. Then in 1909 is when they moved to Juneau, well connected in the education community. And they bought this house together. February, for instance, yeah, you're right. -7 or -5 in Celsius. Antlers locked together and they couldn't get loose from each other, so they died like that. And Judge Wickersham found them by eagle in 1901. Came along, bodies off, you can see their skulls there, and took the locked antlers back to his law office to use as a hat rack.